Clearbrow, North Dallas. Getting ready to send another one on the road here. 21 C8, as you can see, beautiful orange with some carbon flash rally stripes. Full front on this with XPEL Ultimate Plus, and of course, like always, paying critical attention to wrapping those edges in, wrapping all those edges in, making it nice and solid, keeping in respect to the life of the film, making sure that there is no compromising any of this later in life. It would get dirty, peel, hit some high pressure from whether water's coming at it or manually with somebody with a detail facility with a pressure wand or whatever. But taking this guy off so it goes in nice and clean. No marks, no lines around it at all. It goes over the full piece of bra. Same with the stripes. And then this coming all the way down to that edge, wrapping that all the way around and continuing around. Everything nice and wrapped in. You got to wrap this in, folks. Make sure your installers are doing that if it's not us. You don't want this termination mark right here. It needs to go under. There's too much debris coming at you as you're driving. So, and then coming around here, we ended it at that door. Here's the mirror. And that's it. So that's all we did on this one. Kept it pretty simple. And there you go. So 2021 C8. Appreciate you guys watching our Clearbrow, North Dallas channel. Any questions? 214-414-3809. Extension 0 will get me. I'm Brent. Or you can just email us on our website, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Comments or the contact us, or you can do a submission online through the estimate form. Thank you. Have a great day.